Namaste. Welcome to my channel Vandana Dubey Home Cooked Food. Today I show you how to make the utpam. Utpam is the North Indian recipe. I from North India, from Madhya Pradesh state. I from Orcha. Very beautiful place. I hope one day you all traveling to my place. So utpam is the not my state recipe. This is from the South Indian recipe. So I tell you now how to cook the utpam. This is the semolina and this is the instant recipe. We cook very quick this recipe. So this is the semolina I use it, and this is the buttermilk, and also we call like yogurt, half yogurt and half water. Mix it. So this is the first part for the utpam. It's very easy recipe, and normally people use for the breakfast, but I always tell Indian people always breakfast recipe they use anytime, lunch or dinner time, anytime we make all these recipe, because most of Indian not eat breakfast. Early lunch we have, so normally 3-4 o'clock is the timing for the chai time, the tea time. That time we make all these things like samosa and all these things. So I add the buttermilk we call, and also you can add the yogurt, curd. Now I add the water. So friends, this is 5 cups semolina, and I add 6 cup water. Milk, butter I added. Buttermilk is I added, and if you like have no this buttermilk, then you add the curd. So 4 cups curd and 1 cup water you added. So this is I mix like this, and I just leave it because semolina need time to soak it all water. So just leave it like that for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we make utpam. Here I tell you what vegetables we need for this recipe. There is the cabbage, green chili. I chop just half a cup cabbage, 2 green chili, 1 cup onion, 1 cup tomato, 1 cup capsicum, and handful fresh coriander. So this is I needed. If you have carrot, then also you add the carrot. Here we add this spices I use it. This is the black pepper powder, crushed powder. So half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala. This is not important to add it, just optional. Salt I added, and also if you like to add the curry leaves, you can add the curry leaves also. Just depend which is available you have, coriander leaves or curry leaves. So yeah, all these vegetable we added, and just I mix all these like this. All spices same time I mix it. This is very healthy recipe, not need much oil, and lots of vegetable we use it. I add 1 teaspoon salt. I love this recipe because very quick to cook. So I use this recipe most of time for my children tiffin box. When I make the lunch for them, and I make utpam. And this is the South Indian food, and children love the South Indian food like dosa, idli, and utpam. So we just leave it like this 5-6 minutes. This we may leave it, and then we cook. So now batter is ready. See. So this is very good, not very thick and not very thin. So we need like this batter, and now I just on my gas. This is we cook in very medium heat, not need high heat. So when we make the first utpam, add little bit oil. use this napkin paper, and this is just rub like that. So rub it like this. Here I add the salt. So 1 teaspoon salt I added here. Mix it. Now I add the vegetables. I use my hand, but it's not important. Use the hand, also use the spoon. So just press like that. Cook just like 1 minute. Just a little bit oil, just like a half a teaspoon oil, like this. And like this. So just little bit oil we use. Any oil you use, I use soybean oil. So just check. See, this is like a half cooked, one side is cooked, and we just wait for this side also. There is not cooked. So turn the pan. Non-stick pan also you use it. I use the iron one, and I like to tell you to my some of friend, they are vegetarian and they are vegan. Vegan means like they don't use the milk product. So I use in this recipe yogurt. If you have don't use the yogurt, then you use the lemon juice. Lots of lemon juice you added like 1 tablespoon and water and mix it, and then you make the utpam. So now this is ready, and see, so like this, the whole utpam you put in your spoon and turn very quickly like this. Again, just little bit oil, half a teaspoon oil around. The gas always medium. The low heat we give, not much high heat, otherwise it burns. So now this is done. When we make a first utpam, just take a little bit time, but the next one we make very quickly, and just turn off. And I make a small size also. So this is the big size, depend for you if you like to make a smaller or bigger. So the utpam is ready. See, I make 3 big utpam and a small one also. So this is the utpam and this is the utpam family. I hope everyone liked this video. Please try in your home. And who is vegan, please add the lemon juice, not use the curd or yogurt. and try to home. This is a very healthy and very good recipe, very quick recipe to make this. Thank you so much everyone watching my video, and I like to say if you like more notification, please press my bell icon, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.